Welcome back, my dear students. So in this video, we will be working up the general settings for our e-commerce website, and we will be taking a look at all the website settings of our particular store step by step. So as in the previous video, we installed a plugin and converted our website into e-commerce website. However, in this particular video, we will be working up with the settings of our e-commerce website, and we will be relating to each and everything. Now, this particular video is going to be long, and this particular video might bore you guys. So what I would recommend is to just watch this video. You do not have to implement it, because now whatever the settings are coming, because each and every part of the settings I will be explaining to you. So that is why you do not have to implement that. You just have to see these particular videos as they will come right from here. So let's just go ahead and let's take a look at our website. This is right here, and we are in the settings for the WooCommerce store, and we have got these particular tabs. Now, these particular tabs are only for you to see that, okay? And you have to understand like what they are doing. Then after that, when you are done with that, then you can go ahead and you can just like do the settings however you want to do it on your particular website. So we are in the general settings, and we are going to be taking a look at this in this particular video. Now here, what you need to do inside this, you have to just add your store address. So what I want you guys to do is to go ahead and fill your address line, your city, and then your country, and then your postcode. Now you have to enter your store address here. Now this is not going to be publicly available, but some of the functionalities will be based on this particular store address. Like let's suppose that you want to calculate tax and shipping rates, you can go ahead and you can just like associate them with this particular postcode and like the address line or nearby stuff. All right. Now here we've got the general options. So here it says like in which countries you want to sell your products to. So let's suppose that you want to sell your products only in Los Angeles. You can just select that, like only in your city. Let's suppose that you want to sell your products only in California, that is a state. You can do that. Or let's suppose that you want to sell your products only in US, then you can also do that. Similarly, if you want to go and you want to sell your products in like all countries, you can do that with the shipping methods like DHL and stuff, some stuff like that. You can do it like that. So let's suppose that we just select that we want to sell it to the specific countries. And then what we do is that we say that United States, and you can just select that. And we are basically selling it to only United States. And let's suppose that we also add the United Kingdom, Malaysia, UAE, and these are the countries, let's suppose, that we sell to. All right. And now what we do is that we go ahead and we save the changes. Now, if we will go to our store, all right, if we go to our store and we open this in a new tab, you can see that we will be having this product that we added in the previous video, and we add this to the cart. This product is added to the cart, and now what we do is that we click View Cart. Now once we are in here, now you can see it just tells us to proceed to checkout. So what we do is that we just click Proceed to Checkout. Now, here it says the billing details, and what we will do is that right here you can see that there are only countries that are here that we selected right from here. So anyone from that is outside these particular countries will not be able to order that, because we will not be able to ship to these particular countries. Similarly, let's suppose that you just say that we want to like sell to all the countries. Now you can say that all the countries are right here. Now, if you want to remove any particular country, you can do that. So right here, you can see that we have got this Cuba. Let's suppose that if we just click cross to this, all right, the Cuba will be removed. Yes, now Cuba is actually removed. Now what I will do is that I will go ahead and I will hit the Save Changes. And now if I just come to my website and I just refresh this, now you will see that there will be all the countries right here. And now I can just search for Cuba, and Cuba is not here. So you can also do it. Like if you want to exclude some of these specific countries, you can go ahead and you can do that. Similarly, you have another option like sell to all countries except for, and you can just add Cuba here, and you can just go ahead and you can save the changes, so that means exactly the same. Now what we'll do is that we will say that we want to sell to all countries except for Algeria, and let's add Cuba here. So let's suppose that we want to do that, and now we go ahead and we hit the save changes. Now Algeria will also be gone from there. Now, here we've got the shipping location. So it says ship to all countries you sell to. Like all the countries that you have selected in this particular criteria, we will be shipping to them. So that means that anyone from these particular countries will be able to receive their products, and mostly people just select this like ship to all the countries. So you basically have to select this like ship to all countries you sell to, because the billing address, whatever the billing address is going to be, you are going to be shipping to that particular address. So you need to do that. And now here we've got this default customer location. So this is going to be the shop base address. That means that whatever the address you have added over here, that will be added to for the shop base address. Similarly, what you can do is that you can just select this to be like geolocate, and that means that based on the customer IP address, it will get the location of that particular customer and select the country based on that. So let's suppose that I just select that I want to use the geolocate, and now I just go ahead and I just hit the save changes. Now it says geolocate location has not been configured. So what you need to do is to go into this MaxMind integration settings page. You are right here. And now what you need to do is to get the license key. So what you can do is that you can click on this particular link. And here it says create a MaxMind geolocation account. So you can go ahead and you can create that. Now here what you need to do is to enter your full name, your company, your email address, and your phone number, and like how will you be using this. So these are the optional. You do not have to enter that. Now once you have entered that, then you can go ahead and you can go into your My Account page and you can log in. So once you have actually signed up to this particular website, then what you need to do is to go ahead and open up your email account and just log in there and check if you have received the email from there. And so now here you can see that I've got this link that I can just go ahead and I can copy this particular link. And I can now come up here to this particular page and I can just paste it. And now you can see that it tells me to enter my password. And now you can go ahead and you can click reset password. And now you can see it just tells us that the password has been set. So now you can click here to log in. Now what we will do is that we will go ahead and we will enter our email address. And now here we will be entering our password. So once you have entered your password, then what you need to do is to click manage license keys. And now here you have to click create or generate a new license key. And here you can just use that. Now here you have to make sure that you set this to no, and then you have to click confirm, and you will be given a license key. Now what you can do is that you can copy this particular license key. You can go back to your page, to your e-commerce settings, and now you need to paste in this, and now you have to click Save Changes. Now, once everything has been configured, it says like this key is invalid. So if you have recently created this key, you may need to wait for it to become active. So what you need to do is to wait for some time, and then this particular key will be. What I will do is that I will pause the video and I will wait for some time, like for 10 minutes, and after that I will be back. Alright, my dear students, so once you basically paste in your key again and it says your settings has been saved, then that means that it is perfectly working. And now if you will go to the general settings, you will see that now we have got the geolocate. So now what we will do is that we will open up our particular website in an incognito window. Alright, so I'm going to open up this particular website in incognito window and I will visit the website. Now what I will do is that I will go into the shop page, so I will just add /shop. And now I will be adding this to the cart. And now I will click view cart. Now if I just go ahead and I just click proceed to checkout, you can see that based on my IP address, you can see that it is just giving me the Pakistan right here. Similarly, if I use like let's suppose that I use a VPN, all right, and the VPN that I'm using is for the Europe, all right, or let's suppose that I use it for America. Now if I just go ahead and I just go to the website, and now I go into the shop page, and now I add this product to my cart, and I just click view cart. Now I just click proceed to checkout. And now you can see that based on my location, this is set to the US. So this is how basically it's going to work. So this is how the geolocation will be working, and you have now integrated that. Now it's up to you. How are you going to use it? Will you be using it for the geolocate? You can do that. Otherwise, if you do not want to use it, if you want to just use base address, you can also do that. Now we have the enable taxes. So right here you can see that we do not have the tax option, but now go ahead and you just click enable. You'll see that there will be the tax option right here, and now you can integrate the tax functionalities on your website. So if you want to integrate tax functionalities, you can select that. And if you want to not use the tax functionalities, like you will be adding products inclusive of tax rate, you can do that. So it is totally up to you. And this particular tax is really very amazing, because in the analytics you can also calculate the taxes, like how much you need to pay the government. So you can just like calculate the taxes based on that, and the computer will be doing that, so you not need to hire any accountant and so on and so forth. So you can do that. Similarly, now we have the enable use of coupon codes. Like, will you be using the coupon codes to your particular customers, that they can add those particular coupon code and they can get a discount? This is really very helpful for the marketing purposes. You can create coupons and you can send them in your email list, and you can just like get more sales. So it is up to you if you want to enable that. Now, if you go ahead and you disable this, and now you go ahead and you hit changes, now you can see it is asking us for the coupon code. And now if you just refresh this page, you will see that that is particular gone. So that means that this store does not accept the coupons code at all. So it is up to you. If you want to enable that, you can enable that. Similarly, now we have the currency option, like what is your currency? You can select your currency. So our currency is going to be for the US dollar. You can just select the currency position, like whether the dollar sign is going to be on the left or right. And now here we've got the thousand separator. So like in some countries, the thousand separator is actually a dot, and the decimal separator is actually a comma. So like it is asking like the thousand separator is a comma, and the decimal separator is a dot, and the number of decimals, like 12.99 is the price, let's suppose. So like how many number of decimals you want to calculate that. So you can just select it to be like 2, or if you do not want to use the decimals at all, you can just do it like only $12 or only $13. So you can do it based on that. That was it for our general settings. Now from the next video, we will be going ahead and we will be working up with our products tab. So in the next video, we will learn how to go ahead and how to work with the products tab. Stay tuned, guys, and bye-bye.